Nestled amidst the swaying palms and warm breeze of coastal Florida, a Japanese-style tiny home radiates a serene yet inventive charm. Inside, the cabinetry is where tradition meets whimsy, a collection of creative, multifunctional storage solutions that honor minimalist Japanese design while embracing the light-hearted spirit of tiny living. The lower kitchen cabinets slide open with a soft light, their face clad in warm, slate bamboo that echoes shoji screen aesthetic. But instead of standard spool knobs, Playful touches emerge custom wooden handles shaped like miniature torii, kites, and ocean waves. A nod to both Japanese symbolism and the home's beachside setting. Above, overhead cabinets hide behind rice paper-inspired panels. When opened, they reveal cheerful surprise, built-in spice racks on accordion arms, pop-out origami-inspired shelves that unfold for use and fold away with satisfying precision. The mix of pale woods such as hinoki and maple, with touch of indigo and seafoam green, creates a calming palette that complements the Floridian light. A particularly clever cabinet doubles as a chabudai, a fold-down tea table with hidden drawers for cups, matcha tools, and even a tiny puzzle box that holds the homeowner favorite loose-leaf tea blends. Nearby, a staircase to loft hides playful pull-out drawers. Each step are different depth with subtle ink brush illustration paint inside koi fish, cranes, and clouds in flight. One tall cabinet, seemingly ordinary at first glance, opens like a book to reveal a vertical herb garden lit by a soft light glow. It's part pantry, part greenhouse, in ingenious solution for growing shisho, basil, and mint year-round, even in Florida's fluctuating climate. Throughout the space, cabinets do more than store. They surprise, delight, and tell a story. They transform the tiny home from a simple shelter into a living poem of efficiency, playfulness, and reverence for nature, wrapped in the soft harmony of Japanese design.